Okay, um, I'll make this simple. So the new piece that came in, I removed this piece, even though I bent the little piece here. It still didn't quite do the job like the original. So I figured, you know what? Keep the original. I'll keep these for spare parts. This module here, I'm going to keep for spare parts also. And I'll show you the car. Now I understand why when you watch videos, sometimes people, they're like, oh, I didn't get the chance to take a video of it. Anyways, so here's the PT Cruiser in the daylight. The suspension is cramped down because it's on like on a hill here. But the pièce de résistance, before the handle wasn't working. Push the handle, window goes down, door opens like new. And now obviously it needs a good cleaning, and I gotta get rid of that radio. But that's it. I mean, listen, it was a lot of playing around. You have to make sure that the door jamb lines up again with the new. But that's it. I mean, it took a little bit of a trial and error. It is a PT Cruiser, right? So it's not the most easy vehicle to drive. I'm gonna get rid of this badge because when I originally purchased it in 2018, when the car was repainted, it had a nice European turbo badge underneath it. You can see there's some kids that pulled it off. I believe it was a turbo badge off of a Porsche 944. And see the back hatch is the handle was shaved. It's not the best. I gotta check that out. It's got these aftermarket headlights or tail lights. Really nice Sumac wheels and mags. Obviously the gentleman last year, he curb fucked the mags a bit, but whatever. A few paint chips here and there, nothing special. So that's it, and the car is ready to drive. Thank you for watching. I'm going to upload these videos soon, and I honestly think that for somebody who has a convertible PT Cruiser, this will help a lot.